In this video, I want to talk about how you can find the best drone on Temu. Now this is actually pretty simple. We just want to use the filter. So what we want to do is go to Temu and search for drone, press enter. And once you're on the drone page, what you want to do here is, first of all, we want to sort by top sales. Now usually if something is bought a lot, it's most likely a good product. And then what we want to do here is go to filters, scroll down, and we want to select the highest number of stars. So we don't want any of the low stars because then the product is bad. So select this, and once you've done this, we're now looking at the ones that are selling the most with the highest ratings. So as you can see, this one, as an example, has really good ratings, and it is the most selling item inside of drones. So most likely one of these will be the best kind of drone that you can buy from Temu. So this is a really good way to do this, guys. And also these will usually have really good discounts since it's one of the most popular ones. So that is a good way to do this. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.